Friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. If you asked me what my favorite mealtime was, I'd say snack time. I look forward to it. As kids, my mum would have some yummy snacks on the table by the time we got back from school at around 4 in the evening. So, from all the varieties of snacks we have had, we are bringing you our special Pappada Vada. If you don't know what pappadums are a thin, crisp cracker from the Indian subcontinent. We fry them and have them as an accompaniment with our meals. But occasionally we have them during tea time as well. If you don't know where you can find pappadums, just head to the nearest Indian store and I assure you will find them there. We can start with some pappadums. You can use any store-bought pappadum for this. When you buy these pappadums from the store, you will notice that they are slightly flimsy. So we will keep it in the sun and dry it out for about 15 to 30 minutes until they have become quite stiff. Make sure not to over dry the pappadums, otherwise they will become too stiff and it will break. Now the batter. Take 1 cup of rice flour in a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. We use Kashmiri chili powder to get the color without the heat. But if you don't have it, you can use regular chili powder but reduce the quantity to 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon black sesame seeds, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, and salt to taste. While adding the salt, keep in mind that the pappadums have salt in them too, so adjust the salt accordingly. Add the water little by little. The batter is going to be on the watery side. The amount of water you will use will depend upon the flour that you use. We have used about 1.5 to 2 cups of water. We need this batter to stick to the pappadums. The batter will thicken as it sits, so you will have to thin it out with more water as needed. Now in a deep pan set over medium flame, pour enough oil to cover 2 inches from the bottom. To check if the oil is ready, pour a few drops of the batter into the oil. If it sizzles and floats up, then the oil is the right temperature and the pappadums are ready to be fried. Work with 1 pappadum at a time. Dip each pappadum in the batter. The batter should lightly but evenly coat the pappadums. Fry it till it's golden brown. You know that the pappadum has cooked on one side when it comes and floats to the surface. At this point, flip it over and continue to cook on the other side. Now you will have to adjust the flame based on the temperature of your oil. If your oil is getting too hot, reduce the flame and let the temperature come down. If the oil is too cold, increase the flame so that the temperature rises. Once they are all fried, enjoy these crisp pappadavadas with your tea or coffee. These crispy pappadavadas can be stored in an airtight container for up to a week. but they never last that long in my household. Like, share, and subscribe for more content from us. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Until next time, happy cooking.